There are times when we want to print one of the pages in a document without printing all the pages. However, there are still those who are confused about how to do it because they may not know yet. The method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like it. Done? Thank you. First of all, go to the print menu. The method is to go to the file menu, then select print, or you can also press the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously on the keyboard. To print just one page, we can use several methods. The first method is before entering the print menu, we first determine the page we want to print. The method is to place the cursor on the page we want to print. Then go to the print menu and in the settings section change from print all pages to print current page. The second method is that we don't need to place the cursor on the page we want to print, but we can directly determine which pages we want to print. The method is to enter the print menu, then in the settings section, enter which page to print, for example page 3. Then you just choose which method you want to use. After that you just press print to continue to the printing stage and you can see the results. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.